English, I need your help.
Yeah, French, what's up?
How do you pronounce this word?
Oh, yeah, that's though.
Though. Okay. So then this must be throw?
No, come on, that's obviously through.
Through. Okay, well then this must be do?
No, come on, that's like the first one. It's dough.
Dough. Okay, like well if then that's dough, then this must be go.
That's cough.
Cough. What? GH? GH makes really?
Right, yeah, well, because we like to change it up a little.
Well, then if that's cough, then this must be tough.
Tough? Close. It's actually tough.
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 Not tough.
Not tough. Tough.
Tough.
Yeah.